Hello, my name is Joshua Spencer. This is my 3D environment for testing 3D models, animations, and scripts. Two scripts I want to show off right now is AI generated. That bowling pin out there is actually using an AI generated randomizing bird script. I told the AI to generate a script to randomize bird movement, and this is what it produced. It doesn't have any collision right now, that's why it's going through things. Kind of hard to keep track of. The other script is this blue line, which is I told it to generate a flexible wire between two objects. So I put it between my bowling pin and this movable ball here. And that's actually my randomized bird movement script that I made myself. It looks a little weird because it's not using normal looking animations. It's just using a scaling effect. It would look more normal if they were actually birds and normal animations, but what I wanted to show off is this AI generated script, which again there's two of them. That blue line is a generated flexible wire, and the bowling pin is a randomized bird movement script made by an AI. I just thought it was really neat.